Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the 0x800f0950 net framework 3.5 installations error that changes couldn't be completed on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix? And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung turn Windows features on and off. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa Windows features, turn Windows features on or off. So ang next step, dito lang sa pinakauna mga kaibigan, makikita mo dito yung .NET Framework 3.5 includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. So, kailangan mo lang i-check tong box. And then, after dito, ay click mo lang tong OK. And then, wait natin na ma-complete yung searching required files. Okay? And then, next step. So, Windows needs files from Windows Update to finish installing some features. So, select ka lang dito sa dalawang options na let Windows Update download the files for you or don't download files. Okay? So, select lang natin dito yung let Windows Update download. So, click mo lang yan. And then, wait natin ma-complete yung downloading required files. Okay. So, makikita mo na dito na Windows completed the requested changes. So, ang next step, so, kailangan lang natin dito mag-restart. So, i-click mo lang itong restart now. Ayan. So, ganoon lang po ka-simple on how to fix error code 0x800f0950 .NET Framework 3.5 installations error in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.